So today I am making a vegetable soup, and this is a recipe which I have picked up from my dad. He is a brilliant chef. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. And the favorite cuisine he makes, which we all love, and my favorite is Chinese. Yes. So let's go to the kitchen now and make the soup. We have our soup in the making today.
So I'm starting to add here some chopped garlic, some chopped ginger, onions and green chilies. Now I'm adding some chopped carrots. And now I'm adding all the greens, which are chopped capsicum, chopped beans and cabbage.
So lovely. The smell of all the fresh green colored vegetables is so nice. So this is actually my dad's recipe, and every time he used to cook in the kitchen, every time he was making some interesting dish, I would go and stand next to him and keep seeing the different flavors which he used to mix, the experiments which he does. I loved it. Every time he would do an experiment, it would just turn out something so yum. So we've never needed to go out to have Chinese food specifically, because whatever we wanted, he would just make it at home, whether it was soups, chili chicken, chili vegetable, chili Manchurian, hot garlic rice, noodles, and our favorites was soup. Like my favorite is the soup. So that's why I'm making one of his recipes today. थोड़ा हर चीज मेरे से देसी स्टाइल बनी जाता है. And now after that, it's almost half cooked. We will add water. Give it a nice stir. I haven't added anything. Basic salt, pepper. After the stir, cover this up and leave it for about good 15 minutes. After this, we will mix some corn flour. This gives a little thickness to your soup. Oh, शायद मैंने पानी थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल दिया. कोई बात नहीं, कंसिस्टेंसी को हिसाब से देखेंगे. Just stir it in a way, इसको अच्छे से पाउडर को ऐसे मिक्स कर दो कि इसमें जो lumps होते हैं, the lumps should not come, वो सेटल हो जाए. Yeah. So the soup is almost done. It will take another 20 minutes for it to be cooked well before I do the last final steps. And I haven't added any chicken in this because now I'm a vegetarian. Yes. So anyway, So I think it's gonna turn out well. Let's see. I'm waiting till the cooking is happening. What are you guys making for dinner? Let me know. Drop me in the comments and tell me what are you making. Now quickly I'm going to reduce this and add some जो मैंने यहाँ पे घोल के रखा है. After that I will add. मुझे खुद एक्साइटमेंट हो रही है बनाते हुए. And after this, guys, my favorite. This is Ching's की शेजवान चटनी. इसका एक last mixture है, and the bottle is over after that. मुझे थोड़ा खाना spicy अच्छा लगता है. I like little spice in all my flavors. Since dinner is only soup, and I am going to be adding some noodles also to it. So noodles के साथ basically ये soup पूरा एक wholesome meal हो जाता है, और इसके साथ फिर आपको कोई garlic toast की या इसके बाद कुछ ऐसा खाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. We are more than happy to just have a whole bowl of soup for dinner. Oh my God! How it looks nice and colorful. This is a complete bowl of vegetables, and my final step of dhania. So this is done. इसको सिर्फ नूडल्स थोड़े से पक जाए. This is ready. बस I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes. जब तक हमारा सूप तैयार होता है हम किचन साफ कर लेते हैं, क्योंकि कुकिंग के साथ साथ बहुत ज़रूरी है किचन भी समेटना. Cleaning up the kitchen now.
So the soup is ready, and this is the way it looks. Like I told you, it's like a wholesome meal and you don't need anything with it. It's yummy and tasty. Thank you so much for watching the video, and stay tuned for more videos. Till then, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye. Take care.